Hello guys, I'm back doing a little food challenge for you. All right, we got ground meat. This is a 93.7, which you got your meat, which is 93%, and you have your 7% fat. So you just want that little bit of fat, and it's a little bit healthier for you guys too. For those that want to watch their calories, watch their weight. All right, I already put the seasoning in. I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, I put a little bit of garlic salt. That took when it went in there. A little bit of seasoned salt, a lot of salt. I didn't put too much in there. Black pepper, okay. Greek seasoning. This stuff is really tasty. You have to put this on everything. So that went in, and a little bit of spice rub. It has chipotle pepper, onion, garlic powder, bunch of spices. Chipotle pepper, which has a little spice, but it's not spicy. It just gives like a little kick to it, give it a little flavor. All right, so I'm gonna patty these up, put it on the fire, and then we'll show you how it's cooking up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, while my pan is cooking over there, okay, I'm just go ahead and like mix this up. Yes, I got a knife, which is what I had in front of me. So I can kind of stir and then chop at the same time to make sure I get all the spices in every bite, okay? And make sure you got gloves on. If you're dealing with like meat, wear gloves. So it gets kind of messy. So when you're done, you just take them off, throw them in the trash. All right, got that mixed in. All right, again, we'll get the skillet hot, and then we'll make burgers, and then we'll show you how to cook them up, all right? We'll come right back. All right, the skillet's hot, and we're about to put the patties on. So I'm just taking a little bit of meat here, guys. All right, and then we'll put it on. All right, look at like your palm size. That's a good amount to fit the bread that we're gonna use. Look all the spices in that, guys. You can see it. See a little bit of fat to give it the juice, give it the flavor. All right, let's add a little bit more. Let's add a little bit more to that. We'll put it on. All right, here we go. All right, let's get another one. All right. We're gonna make 4, okay? There's 3. One more, guys. Hope y'all doing good today. Are you hungry? Just give you a little element of other things that we can do. Cooking is one of our faves, my fave. I should have showed you this morning that I did a steak and egg taco. It was super good. I should have put that on camera. Everybody's saying, oh yeah, you should have filmed that. I didn't. Maybe we'll catch it next time. Okay. All right, we'll get these cooked up, and then we'll come back and do the next step. All right. All right, guys. All right, you see that cooking? I mean, I couldn't go away without showing you how to flip it. All right. Let's see. Watch this crust. It's going to show on the inside. Ooh, look how good that looks. Yeah, these won't be very good, guys. And this is 7% fat. So you see, there's not much fat in the pan. So this is one tip you can use when you want to make your own burgers. Use the 93.7, guys. Just put a bunch of spices in it and it'll taste so good. You know, just, if you want to watch your calories, watch your weight. All right. All right, we'll finish these up, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, say hello to Christina. You see she just popped in the video all of a sudden.
Yes.
All right, she's about to make her burger. She has a keto bun.
Keto bun.
All right, this is how you make it healthy. Use a keto bun.
My favorite is Swiss
cheese.
I'm gonna get me a slice.
Okay.
Then my
Sweet Baby Ray's, no sugar added barbecue.
Sweet and smoky.
Nice.
Just a little bit, because the flavor of the burger is going to be good.
Yep.
Just a little bit.
And remember these pickles, if you see me on other video, the best made.
I love me some pickles.
That's literally what it means. It is the best pickles in the world.
My pickles.
All right. Do $1 for pickles.
I like pickles. Okay.
All right. And then we're about to get the meat. All right, here we go, guys. Remember that I showed you the 4 burgers? All right, which one do you want?
Let's go with, that was good. I don't care, they all look nice and juicy.
All right. Let's get this one. It's gonna go right on the bun.
Put it right here. I like it to go on there so it melts the cheese just a tad.
Yes. I know a lot of people like to put their cheese on the skillet to make it melt. I think we prefer ours to melt like room temperature. So.
Yeah. I like it where you put the hot patty on there and it just kind of melts just a little bit.
So you're gonna give a taste test for everyone. Okay. Y'all ready, guys?
Dun,
dun, dun. Drum roll.
Oh, look at that juiciness.
Drum roll.
Juicy.
Here we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Mmm.
You can just see the juices.
2 thumbs up.
All right. 2 thumbs up. All right. I'm gonna make mine. We're gonna show me tasting my own food. All right, here we go. Y'all ready?
All right, we're back.
Hello, guys. All right, remember I had the gloves. I gotta take these off because I use it with the meat. So these are coming off. All right. All right, and you showed that she had the keto buns. I'm not gonna do keto. I want the regular buns because the keto has a slightly different taste than the normal bread, but that's okay. It's still a little bit healthy, but we're okay. All right, so I got my buns. I'm using Sargento sharp cheese.
He didn't get me Sargento.
Which should have been mild, but I think I picked the wrong one, but that's okay. I prefer the mild.
He got me the cheap cheese and got him the expensive cheese.
Really?
That's okay though.
You said you're okay with the cheese.
Yeah, I don't know. It all tastes the same to me.
I guess I'm bougie when it comes to my cheese. All right, got the best made pickles, guys. All right, let's spread them out if I can get it. A little stubborn there. All right, let's do 3. You're laughing. All right.
He's having pickle issues over there.
All right, here is the meat coming out of the pan. Look how good does that look, guys. Look at that. Look how juicy. All right, I'm about to give it a taste test. Y'all ready? Here we go. Let's show the camera how juicy that looks. Look at that. All right, ready?
There's steam coming off.
Mmm. Oh, yeah.
You know that light is like...
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay, now do your dance again.
All right. This is the burgers that the household loves. That's not the turkey burgers. All right? So good. Don't mean to smack. All right, guys. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe.
If you smack, it means it's better, right?
Want to see other videos like this? We're trying to do more for you guys. You know, the cooking, eating, pranks, funny things, slots. You know, we do it all in this household. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. All right?